Welcome back everyone to my channel, and today we're going to look at some of my favorite altcoins like Hedera Hashgraph, the SingularityNET, and many more. So make sure you watch to the very end, and if you are interested in only a couple, I have left the time chapters down below, so feel free to scroll through the video and see exactly what coin you want to watch. And we're going to take a closer look into 5 of my favorite altcoins, and if you want them to hit the price targets that I set today with you guys, make sure you smash that like button. Otherwise, we probably won't hit it because more and more people need to start investing in crypto, and that's the only way to get videos like this out there is for you to smash that like button. Again, let's try to get 50 likes on this video. Why not? Maybe 100. Surprise me, guys. I appreciate you all, and let's just keep going into this video. And let me know in the comment section down below, what are your price targets for these tokens? And I believe that by the time December 2021 comes around, so many more people are actually going to be invested in crypto that we will think that what we're sitting at now, these prices are nothing. The first one we're going to cover is Hedera Hbar, and right now it's at around 8.5 cents. As I'm recording this video, it's down 80% almost for all time. So it came public back in September 2019 at around 41 cents and then went straight down. So this price target for Hedera Hashgraph we're going to set at $1. We're going to say that it's going to pass its all-time high and at least double it because they are setting up shop in Australia. Oz Payments firm joins Hedera. Their token spikes because of that. More news about an Australian debt operator using the Hedera Hashgraph network. A British hospital using them as well. Highland and Hedera Hashgraph, they're basically partnering up together. If it does hit $1, that will put it at around $10 billion market cap, which I believe is doable, especially since the value that it's unlocking in the current blockchain industry, and it's solving a lot of the problems that we're seeing with tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The next one we're going to look at, and it's one of my favorites as well, is SingularityNET AGI token. And its all-time high was at around $1.86 that it hit in January 19, just like Hedera Hashgraph, and it went straight down. And all-time is down 85%. So its market cap is 70 million. I believe as well that it can hit $1, and that would require it to hit around $1 billion market cap, and I believe that they can, especially since they are so close with Hanson Robotics. And if you do not know, Hanson Robotics is basically the maker of Sophia and all of her sisters, and Lil Einstein, Lil Sophia. All of them are going to be deployed around the world starting late 2021 and 2022, and they're going to be running off of the SingularityNET. And once robots are all over the world, AGI will be much more valuable than 1 billion. So our target right now for AGI is $1, but I believe that is underestimating the potential of AGI. Right now they're working with Cardano to build a new platform to move away from the Ethereum platform to make everything much more efficient. Basically, Dr. Ben Gersel is basically just focusing on artificial intelligence. If you do not know what AGI does, I've made multiple videos about them. I'll leave some on the screen right now. Feel free to check them out. And for the year, AGI is up at around 350%, so it still has a lot of upside to go because all time again is down 85%, so it could be a very good shout. And speaking about Cardano, since they're partnering up with the AGI network, let's cover them. So right now they're sitting at around 40 cents, and their all-time high was $1.33 back in 2018, and we're slowly heading up. So I can very easily see Cardano hitting $3 by the end of the year. That would give it a market cap of around $130 billion, which is where Ethereum is valued right now. I believe that Ethereum itself will at least 3 times, 4 times from where it is now, but Cardano has much more room to grow since it's only valued $12 billion right now. I could see this jumping up to 100 billion plus by the end of the year, especially with all the hype coming up. And since surprisingly a lot of platforms are adopting the Cardano network, and they're coming out with the 3rd phase, and basically their roadmap, their masterpiece, whatever you want to call it, is coming together beautifully. Grayscale is rumored to have interest in Cardano, and a lot of good news is coming out from this organization. Cardano's founder was actually speaking about his vision for how to get to $1 trillion in market cap. So 120 billion is very doable for ADA, which would put it at around $3. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And the fourth one we're going to cover today is THETA. This one is one of my favorite because, like I said, video streaming, video rendering is a very, very big problem, especially if you're a live streamer, a YouTuber, whatever you are. Uploading good video and good quality fast is a big problem, so THETA looks to solve that, especially with their bandwidth solution technologies. So basically they allow you to share bandwidth and you get compensated for your participation in the network. I also made a couple videos about this one, so feel free to check them out. Right now they're sitting at around $2 billion in terms of market cap. Their coin is at around $2. It's looking like it's consolidating, and the next leg up could see it all the way up to $10, I believe, by the end of the year. That would put it at around a $10 billion organization, and I believe that it can hit it, especially with now all of us indoors on our phones, live streaming on our devices. We need good quality video more than ever before, and this is looking to be that problem solver, and they're doing very well. That's why we've seen it go up almost 1,000% for the past year, and they're doing great things over there. The fifth and last altcoin that we're going to cover today is crypto.com. And this one is one that I recently just found out about because on the App Store, it literally, people are downloading it left and right. People are saying really, really good things about it. And they basically are an exchange for you to go and buy crypto. That's all they do. But if you compare it to Binance, Binance is valued much more than them, 5 times or 6 times more than them, I believe. So crypto.com has a lot of room to grow, especially with a lot of hype coming up in this crypto market. So think about it. People have to go on an app to actually buy and sell crypto. And if crypto.com can be a solution to where they can offer a lot of tokens more than the other platforms, you'll see people running to it. And right now on the App Store, they're doing very well. So that's why I put them in this list. They are valued at around 1.5 billion. And I can see this 10xing as well in 2020, giving it a coin price target of around 60 cents or 50 cents, and maybe even more, especially if this becomes the Robin Hood of the crypto industry. This could be valued at $20-30 billion easily with all the hype going on, especially since we're not going to see this market hit the peak, I believe, until we hit December, maybe even January of 2022. That's when we're going to see a lot of hype. Especially with it being the holidays at that time of year, you'll see a lot of people going into what works in terms of investing. And this year is crypto markets turn to shine. I believe that, you believe that. That's why you're watching. So make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe to this channel. What do you think about my price targets? Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you think they're accurate? What are your price targets as well? Make sure you share them so we all can learn from each other as well and see what the best price targets are and if we're being realistic or not. So we're all in this together. I appreciate you all, and thank you for watching. Mr. Mufleh, out.